Next week's episode of WWE SmackDown will announce the replacement for Jade Cargill in the upcoming Women's WarGames match. This development follows an incident where Cargill was taken out by an unknown assailant during a triple threat match involving Bianca Belair, Chelsea Green, and Blair Davenport. Belair abandoned the match to accompany Cargill, who was transported to the hospital, allowing Green to win the match. With Cargill sidelined, former women's champion Bayley will take her place in the WarGames match alongside Belair, Naomi, Rhea Ripley, and Io Sky. They will face a team consisting of Liv Morgan, Nia Jax, Tiffany Stratton, Raquel Rodriguez, and Candice LeRae. Both Belair and Green missed their opportunities to compete for the inaugural Women's United States Championship, as Green advanced in the tournament after her victory over Davenport, following Bayley's earlier win against LeRae and B-Fab. In a further shake-up, WWE NXT star Lash Legend will step in for Cargill in a first-round match against Piper Niven and Mikan. This match marks the first time Bayley and Io Sky will be in the ring together since Bayley defeated Sky at WrestleMania 40 to become women's champion. The identity of Cargill's attacker remains a mystery, but more details are expected to emerge in the lead-up to Survivor Series, WarGames.